Welcome to the Makeup Chronicles by Date My Makeup, where your makeup products speak volumes. Interior, bathroom, morning. It's your first day back in the office after a whole year. You haven't worn makeup since Kim K's first marriage. Under the sink is your dust-ridden makeup kit, and you feel like you're unearthing Cleopatra's treasures. As you try to decide between two foundations, either water or oil-based, you mumble to yourself, and then remember, you haven't had your coffee yet. Miss Oil-Based Foundation. Did you hear what she just said? Yeah, she called me thick, Miss Water-Based. Not in a good way. What does she expect? We're both past the expiration date. I'm starting to dry out and fall apart. My little 12 months are over faster than a TikTok trend. What about you? I'm getting clumpy and lumpy. I'll never get to my hot girl summer like this. I thought Miss Black Mascara was gonna speak up. You walk back with your favorite blonde dewy coffee cup. You know, the one with the sunglasses, and set it down, and pick up the oil-based foundation, and then give it a shake.
I'll just add a little water to the mix.
Hey, sis, adding water will change my perfectly formulated foundation, even though I'm over 18 months old.
Really? Is that so?
Madam, she's lumpy because she's past the expiration date. Just a friendly reminder to renew. Not listening, you pick up the sponge anyway and soften it up with water. She cannot be this clueless about expired makeup. You think?
One more time can't hurt.
Oh, no. She really gonna use that sponge? When was the last time she cleaned that thing? No offense, Pinky.
None taken. I'm just soaking up the conversation.
What will happen next when the expired foundation is used on a dirty sponge? Find out on the next Makeup Chronicles. I've been your narrator, Adair Gilliam. Join us again on the next episode. Safe beauty to you.